Coming up, an exclusive clip of Jono at the Global Games Show. Find out what's new in Ordinem, and you can win 5,000 bull in today's exclusive viewer giveaway. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at what Jono shared on stage at the Global Games Show about the challenges of game development.
The hardest thing with building games is, we've got a rule in Playable, ship 101, which means not to do with ships, means to put out. But when you're building a game, what they call bracket creep or feature creep is a killer. Whenever you're developing something, while you're developing it, you actually see something better.
Yes.
This could be, oh, we're doing this. Oh, what if we added this? And adding that isn't a 3-second ad. It's a 3-week or a 3-month ad. And so we call it ship 101. What is game 101? What do we commit to build? You've got to ship that first, build that, and all the extra things go on the side of that later. They become 102 or 103. And then you actually, so it's a really hard thing to get in practice because you just always want to make it better. And and it can be the smallest thing, and you just, but what if we made that colour? Well, making a colour doesn't just take 5 seconds. Sometimes it does, but often it doesn't. So, and when you do change one thing, you often break something else.
Yes, yeah.
So code is terrible that way. And so ship 101 and then save 102 and 103 to come later. And try and stick to your timetables where you're actually committing to a community. We're going to have our game out. Like GTA 5 just told their whole community several months ago, we're adding a year. So we're not adding a month, they're adding a year. We missed our time frame by a year. So that's what can happen. And the community, that hurts the community a lot.
Now let's check in with our bullish community. First up, the brand new official Ordinem card submission and feedback platform is open and ready for you. This is where our community can directly shape the future of the game by submitting new card designs. If your idea is selected, it could become an official card that players will be able to find in future packs. Your feedback, your creativity, your cards. Let's build this game together. Next, a major shakeup in the Ordinem prize pool. Season 3 is here, and with it comes one of the most exciting changes yet. The leaderboard has been expanded from 10 places to 25. That means more players, more rewards, and more chances to claim your place among the top champions. The total reward pool has grown to an enormous 3 million bull, with prizes stretching all the way down to 25th place. This is your moment to climb, compete, and earn. Jump into Season 3 now. Now let's talk about some fun community contests. First up, Willo's Spotlight event. This challenge invited players to guess who Willo would mention in the next Walk with Willo video. It was a blast watching everyone submit their predictions. Congratulations to our winners. They'll be walking away with their share of 50,000 bull. Finally, it's time for our viewer giveaway. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite genre of game and why? Be sure to include your Discord name in your answer. One lucky fan who comments will win a prize of 5,000 bull. Don't miss your chance. Drop your answer below. See you in the channels, and until next time, stay bullish. And that's a wrap for the latest deep dive. But the journey doesn't end here. Want to shape the future of playable games? Jump into our Discord, ask questions, share feedback, or just come say hi. Where you're curious about nodes, Bullcoin, or getting your hands on early access, our crew and the community have your back 24/7. Hit subscribe, join the revolution, and we'll see you in the games.